All right, this demonstration shows how to reverse the order of things. So instead of cutting the shape first and then shaping it, this time we're gonna put texture into a slab. So this could be a small slab that you're gonna make one tile out of. And you would start off by texturing the slab first and then cutting out your shape. So I'm going to use this kind of wavy texture. And I don't want to waste clay, so I think I'm going to go ahead and break this so that I don't damage the other clay piece, and I can get a whole impression out of this one. So you put it texture side down, and you're doing kind of moderate pressure. And again, you want to kind of hold, try to have the mat not shift. So, and I'm checking, oh, I'm not getting anything. More pressure. All right, so trial and error gives you an idea of how hard you need to go depending on how hard your clay is. And this is kind of, this clay has been out a while, so it's kind of hard. This can be done as a team. One person can hold the mat down and the other person can do the rolling. All right, still needs to be a little more pressure. I'm going to use the other roller because it's got a little more, it's got a handhold. There, you can feel it grab, so yeah. All right, that's good. There. So textured piece of clay. I can cut my shapes out of it. This is kind of a broad pattern, so I need a relatively large piece of clay to catch a good glimpse of it in my cutout. I'm going to turn this over and use the other side.